Let's learn English. My class, your class. Today's lesson. What are you wearing today?
What is she wearing today?
She is wearing green skirt, white blouse, and black shoes.
Good job. And now, what is she wearing today?
She is wearing white blouse, blue dress, and blue shoes.
Very good. What is she wearing today?
She is wearing red hat, pink blouse, red overalls, and red boots.
Great. What is she wearing today?
She is wearing beige sweater, jeans shorts, and colored sneakers.
Fantastic. What is he wearing today?
He is wearing white t-shirt, jeans pants, white socks, and blue sneakers.
Great. What is he wearing today?
He is wearing black suit, white shirt, red tie, and brown shoes.
Very good. What is he wearing today?
He is wearing grey t-shirt, green shorts, black and white sneakers, and black belt.
And you? What are you wearing today? What about subscribing my channel?